Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the productivity tricks on the Samsung Galaxy A36. Okay, so let's begin. So the first option I'm gonna show you is this bar right in here. It is called the quick access bar, and here we have the apps such as AI Select, Notes, Gallery, Internet, Clock, Calendar, and also if you click on those buttons in here, those dots, in here you have the more apps. You can basically in here choose anything, but if you click on this pencil icon, you can edit the notes in this bar. So let's say I don't want the clock to be in here, I want the Gemini instead of this place. And now let's say it has been successfully saved, so it works. Okay, the next thing is the split screen mode. I'm gonna show you how to enter this. So first I'll open the notes, but it can be any app actually, except of the settings. Settings don't work for this mode, from which I remember. And now the second one, let it be the calculator. Okay, and now you want to click on the recent apps, and to get into the split screen I need to hold one of the app and drag it into the top or into the bottom. So let's say I want the calculator on the bottom. No, not like this. On the bottom. Okay, and now on the top I want my notes, which is right in here, below the recent apps. Okay, so now as you can see, my screen is split in half and I have both of these apps running at the same time. So basically I don't need to, switch between them using the recent apps or looking for them around the phone like that. I have them open at the same time. Also, if you click and hold this gray bar in the middle, you can adjust the size. You can make the calculator bigger, and same thing with the notes. It is up to you, but I'll leave it in the middle. And this works good because let's say you want to pay taxes and make notes. What are you going to pay? And if you want to count thing at the same time, you don't need to switch between the apps. You just do it on the other half of the screen. So it's really good, you don't need to waste time. You have anything in the reach of hand. Okay, so that's the split screen mode. Also using apps just like Notes, it's recommended to boost your productivity. You can keep your thoughts in here and your ideas, and they will be automatically saved. You don't need to look for the save button. You just create a note, type anything, you can exit this, and as you can see, it's still saved right in here. Okay, and also the cool thing is the AI, Bixby to be more precise. Okay, to use the AI, you need to simply hold on the power button. But there's a possibility that under the power button, when you hold it, it won't launch the Bixby. And to select this, first let's hold the power button and the volume down button. And now we have our side button settings. Now we have our long press. For now it's Bixby, as you can see, but there is a chance that you will have your power off menu option selected. So let's select the Bixby. And basically this is the AI, and you can ask everything to it to do it for you. So let's say I want to know who was the first man on the moon, but I don't want to waste time typing it in the internet. I can simply ask AI also by the typing on your keyboard, but also you can use the voice commands. So that's what I'm gonna show you. Who was the first man on the moon? Now I'll release my finger. Now let's wait. And now, as you can see, we have our answer. It was the Neil Armstrong. Also, if you will click on this, you'll go into the Google, and that's the source from which we have the information. Okay, another cool thing is the reminder app. And also, let's ask AI to open it. Open the reminder app, please. No, not like that. Open reminder app, please. Okay, now it works. In here you can click on allow. Now let's click on continue, and in here, as you can see, we have our my reminders. So if you will click on this plus button, in here you can create a new reminder, and we will get an information on the selected time to do your stuff, you know. So let's say you want to do the laundry. Okay, let's select the time, let it be tomorrow at 6 p.m. So now you simply click on save, and now it has been successfully saved too. We have our reminder to do the laundry, so you won't forget now to do your stuff. But also, you don't need to do this manually. Again, I'll show you to do this by the AI. Set me a reminder to do the laundry tomorrow. Boom, as you can see, it has been saved. I didn't need to, you know, do anything in the reminder app. The AI did it for me. And just to make sure is it true, let's go into our reminder. And that's the do the laundry by that I saved by using the AI. Because when I was doing it manually, I set the time at 6 p.m. But when I was talking to the AI, I didn't mention the time. Okay, so thank you all for watching. That's all in this video. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.